people who've already got Botox done, can they still go ahead and do face yoga?
Absolutely, absolutely. I do have clients who have Botox in the forehead. So Botox is a procedure where they paralyze your facial muscle. जो आपकी face की muscles हैं, उसको paralyze करता है to stop the movement. Now let's talk about acne. Now acne is something I think almost every person is dealing with it. Whether
In some form or the other.
yeah, in some form or the other. Adult acne hai, hormonal acne hai, all of that. So she was a 12-year-old girl and she had pigmentation around the mouth.
Alright.
And her mother was very tense that abhi 12 saal ki hai and itni jaldi to I don't want to get her into chemical treatments and all. You help me with face yoga. Nobody questions and nobody says कि हम अपने body की exercise क्यों कर रहे हैं, because everybody knows that exercising the body is healthy for the body. So if you talk about face yoga is very similar to body yoga. Okay, so face yoga is basically, it's a science where you exercise your facial muscles. So I would say that when you do face yoga, there is a thing called lymphatic drainage. I'll give you a face yoga pose. So you take your hand, keep it on the forehead like this, and you open your eyes wide. Okay. And you curl the upper and lower lip. Okay?
Curl the upper and lower lip.
Yes,
Alright.
you have to curl it.
Okay.
The upper and lower. So it's something like. So this is a face yoga exercise, because here you're relaxing the forehead.
Hi, I'm Surabhi Sapra. Welcome to my podcast, The Migrating Occult. Today we have with us Ms. Savitu Singh, an internationally certified face yoga practitioner based out of Delhi, who's redefining the way we think about beauty and aging. With a strong focus on natural rejuvenation and mindful self care, Savitu helps people understand their face beyond aesthetics. She's transforming lives since the past 5 years through her interactive face yoga sessions, addressing a wide range of skin concerns such as acne, pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles, and all of this without any invasive treatments, no needles, and no Botox. Connecting wellness and confidence with mindful facial movement, breath, and simple self care practices. Join me as we explore her journey into the world of face yoga and learn the simple techniques that can create a lasting effect and support both inner and outer well being, and to embrace the beauty of aging gracefully. Hi, Savitu.
Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me. And it's a pleasure. So thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Savitu, in today's world, where cosmetic surgeries and procedures like Botox and fillers, it's the in thing. You are suggesting, no, you're not just suggesting, you are promoting face yoga. Do you really think that face yoga is as effective and such a good solution as compared to cosmetic procedures?
All right. So, I want to start by saying that we exercise our body. Okay. Nobody questions and nobody says कि हम अपने body की exercise क्यों कर रहे हैं, because everybody knows that exercising the body is healthy for the body.
True.
And obviously, you look nice, your body looks toned, and you basically take care of your body. You maintain your body, okay? Because if you don't do it, then you might not look good aesthetically, or you might develop health problems later. So if you talk about face yoga is very similar to body yoga. Okay. So face yoga is basically, it's a science where you exercise your facial muscles.
Okay.
And when you exercise that, your face becomes very healthy. Your skin becomes healthy, because we do a lot of lymphatic drainage.
Alright.
And to reduce the water retention and puffiness. There's a lot of glow because of blood circulation. तो जैसे आपकी एक्सरसाइज से बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्म होती है, आपका फेस completely transforms. That's why, when you go to my page and you see, there will be a lot of before afters, because people come with a particular face and they go back with something else. Everything is possible on the face, from fuller cheeks to defined jawlines to, lines and wrinkles reduction, everything.
Okay.
So if anybody is not happy with how their face looks, I feel एक्सरसाइज हेल्दी है, सबको पता है, एक्सरसाइज करो अपने फेस को एंड यू विल नॉट नीड एनीथिंग.
Okay, just a question for people who've already got Botox done.
Yes.
Can they still go ahead and do face yoga?
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
I do have clients who have Botox on the forehead,
All right.
and but obviously the question is, why have they come to me? Because with the Botox they have paralyzed their the frontalis muscle, the forehead muscle,
Yeah.
but the glow is still not there. Okay. And again, they would want the cheek to be lifted, they would want to enhance the jawline. So agar unne forehead ka Botox karaya hai, so only forehead is paralyzed, right? The forehead will not move, it will be smooth, but what about the rest of the face? So that way that for the overall face you can combine face yoga with Botox if you want that.
But then there are procedures for the other things as well.
Yeah, but then you
So
can't I know celebrities who've done Botox to the face.
Exactly,
They've also done
yeah.
Botox to the hands.
Okay.
So there is no limit. आप कुछ भी करा लो, but then where do you go? Where do you stop?
So also, does Botox have an age limit? Like, how much, like people have started very, very early in life now, right? How long does the Botox last, and how is it that, how soon can you get the fillers done, and how long can you keep doing it?
So first of all, मैं आपको explain करती हूँ कि Botox है क्या,
Okay.
ठीक है? So Botox is a procedure where they paralyze your facial muscle. जो आपकी
Alright.
face की muscles हैं, उसको paralyze करता है to stop the movement. Okay?
Okay.
Like for example, if somebody has Botox, when they talk or when they do this with their eyebrows, so उनके forehead पे lines नहीं बनेंगी because Botox ने उनका forehead को smooth कर दिया है. It has
Freeze
reduced
कर
the
दिया,
lines,
kind of,
freeze
yeah,
कर दिया उनको,
okay,
ठीक है?
alright.
Or so like that. But the thing is that I tell everybody that Botox basically weakens your facial muscles. This is
Okay.
a fact which not many people know.
Okay.
So जो Botox होता है वो जैसे face yoga आपकी muscles को strong करता है. It strengthens
Alright.
over time, right? Because it's an exercise.
yeah.
You're strengthening your muscles. But Botox, once it wears off, right, your muscles become weaker
Okay.
than what you started with. आप जितना बोटॉक्स कराओगे, जितना फिलर्स कराओगे, आपकी मसल्स वीक हो जाएंगी. वाई? बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप मसल को पैरालाइज कर रहे हो, आप मूव ही नहीं कर रहे, तो मसल को तो आदत पड़ जाएगी आराम से बैठने की. मसल विल बिकम लेजी, इट विल बिकम स्टैग्नेंट. तो आप अपने पैरों पे खुद कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज अननेचुरल.
So see, in today's age, women are doing Botox at a very, very young age.
Yeah. And in
teenagers
fact, now
are all
more than
starting.
ever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So is there an age for face yoga? How soon can you start face
So,
yoga?
I'll tell you something. Even, like I had this client, and I speak about this client all the time. So, she was a 12-year-old girl,
Okay.
and she had pigmentation around the mouth.
All right.
And her mother was very tense that, अभी 12 साल की है, and इतनी जल्दी तो I don't want to, get her into chemical treatments and all. You help me with face yoga.
Okay.
And that girl wasn't very particular about applying sunscreen.
All right.
So I told the mother कि please आप सबसे पहले तो उसको आदत डालो कि वो sunscreen use करे, because that is something which is going to protect her skin, and she used to play a lot of outdoor sports and all of that.
Alright.
तो आप please उसको लगाओ. So obviously mouth pigmentation थी, and naturally we healed her pigmentation, and she did not have pigmentation anymore.
Alright.
It completely went away.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And also, is face yoga just for women, or is it also for
No. I think anybody. I think
Okay.
anybody who has a face.
Okay.
Anybody who has a face can do face yoga.
So tell me, when you talk about face yoga, I understand wrinkles, facial sagging, toning, glow, puffiness, double chin. All that I understand will be taken care of, right? But I went to your page and it says acne, pigmentation, allergies, scar, even sinus relief.
So basically, face yoga works on the concept of, first, you have to take some oil or cream.
All right.
Okay, so when you do that, you have to have a stimulant. You can't do face yoga, like dry, सूखा नहीं कर सकते आप, ठीक है? So when you do face yoga, there is a lot of blood circulation, okay? Now all that blood, that beautiful oxygen coming to your skin. Now what is that oxygen? The oxygen is, coming with all the आपके जो nutrients है, vitamins हैं. So basically it's food for your skin.
Okay.
So you're giving food, आप खाना खिला रहे हो अपनी skin को, like that. So what happens if the pigmentation, obviously it will be dark. When you give it a rush of blood, the pigmentation gets food.
Yeah.
So it starts lightening up.
Okay.
And then it lightens up. Then it lightens up more. So if you compare a client from 1 month to 6 months,
Okay.
the pigmentation keeps fading.
All right.
until a client reaches a point where it's not seen. And there are a lot of clients who had pigmentation who started face yoga. And they came because they did not get results with chemical treatments.
Okay.
Yeah,
alright.
so they wanted
But what about acne and other things?
acne also because
Even scars, you said?
yeah, scars also. So because now I told you about pigmentation. Now let's talk about acne. Now acne is something I think almost every person is dealing with it. Whether
In some form or the
yeah,
other.
in some form or the other. Adult acne hai, hormonal acne hai, all of that. So I would say that when you do face yoga, there is a thing called lymphatic drainage.
All right.
Which means that you are taking all the toxins from your face and you're manually removing it from the sides of the neck. When you want to heal acne, when you want to work on inflammation, you work on increasing the blood flow.
Okay.
And because you have acne, you can't use any oil. You have to
Alright.
use a acne oil. Or you use an aloe vera gel, which is antibacterial.
Alright.
And then you do a lot of blood circulation. And then naturally you heal it. So there are a lot of clients, like one client, she was getting married. And she was like that, I can't even think of applying makeup. I have so much of acne. So I told her that, give me 6 months because I need that much time to work on you.
True.
And slowly, she started seeing the acne gone. And there's so many clients I worked with. Their face is absolutely clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
But tell me, so is there certain cosmetics that you say are like a complete red flag for the Indian skin? Is there any product which is a very...
See, a lot of
because
people
bad
say
for the
that
skin?
don't use retinol.
Okay.
And I don't see why you can't use it. You can use it if your skin can tolerate it.
All right.
But again, there is a plant-based alternative called bakuchi oil, which you can use.
All right.
A lot of brands do bakuchi oil moisturizers and, oils of bakuchi oil. So that is completely plant-based.
Alright.
So anybody who's pregnant can go for that.
Okay.
But if you ask me in cosmetics what to avoid, I would say that, I think, see, a lot of times, like, for example, when I'm going, for a wedding or something, if I use a foundation and, I use something which is, like, I have a dry skin. And if I use a wrong product, which makes my skin more dry, I would say no. So, for my skin type, I would use a liquid foundation. So, I would say,
So
first
basically, you need to be aware of
yeah,
what
of the
suits
right
your,
products
Yeah.
to use. Other than that, I think just use what suits you well.
Yeah. Okay. All right. All right.
Because people, like in my group class, like if there are around 25, 30 people, so somebody would have, sensitive skin, somebody would have acne prone,
Yeah.
somebody would have oily combination, somebody would have dry, somebody would say, I don't want to use oils at all. I'm very scared. Oils heavy hote hain,
Yeah.
ye wo hota hai. So then I give them a PDF. I tell them, okay, if you have a dry skin, use this oil. If you have an
Okay.
oily skin, use this oil, like that.
All right.
So they know exactly. And the oils have to be chosen according to skin type.
Exactly.
Okay,
yeah.
I don't tell people कि pigmentation है ये वाला oil ले लो,
अच्छा.
acne scars है ये वाला, वो बाद की बात है.
Okay.
पहले आपकी skin type, because if you have an oily skin
हाँ.
and you're using a oil which is making your skin greasy,
yeah.
तो आपका तो
Sorry, हाँ.
वैसे खराब हो गया काम, है ना?
True,
So skin type से choose the oil.
And how many men actually come forward to do
So
face yoga?
surprisingly, this is really funny. When I started 5 years back, there were no men.
All right.
And dhire I started getting DMs that, ma'am, can we also do? We want to have a sharp jawline. We want to have glow. And now
Because men are getting very conscious
Yeah,
now
and
and very
surpri-
open to such things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And, men, they feel that why shouldn't they also look good?
Yeah.
And men don't use so much makeup. So naturally they have to look
I
good.
know, yeah.
हम तो फिर भी
I
makeup
think
कर
the skin
लेते
is
हैं.
also better because they're not using so much of makeup.
Yeah,
No
the skin
cosmetics
is-
going in. So
And
yeah.
in fact, your skincare works better if you do
Okay.
face yoga.
All right.
Because with all that blood flow,
Uh-huh.
if your serum will show results in about 2 or 3 months, it will start showing results in 1 month.
Oh,
Because
all right.
that serum will now go into the deeper layers of the skin
Yeah.
with the blood flow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And now, when I do my batches, so now there are 2 men, in a batch of like 80 people or something like that, but there's still 1 or 2 men. Yeah.
But
So
things
right now
are
I
opening
also
up,
have
yeah.
3 men,
Okay.
like that. Yeah.
Nice. Also, so skincare is very dependent on season, I believe.
Yes, skincare, I think you should change according to season.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because, because winter skin starts getting dry, so you should use a gentle cleanser,
Okay.
and which is not too drying. And in summer, you should use something which takes away the oil, आपके face का.
Okay.
So,
Also, I saw on your page you say do not use coconut oil
Yes,
on the skin.
absolutely,
But
absolutely.
that is something जो हमारी
Yeah.
नानी,
Oh, no,
दादी,
not at all.
परदादी सब बोलते आ रहे हैं. Like they swear by coconut oil. Coconut oil तो मतलब
Coconut
हर
oil
चीज़ का
is,
जैसे कहते
you know,
हैं
I
ना.
tell you, coconut oil is the worst oil for your skin.
What are you saying?
Worst
Really?
oil. Like, you know,
But हम सदियों से use करते आ
never
रहे हैं.
ever. So a lot of people say कि मैम हमें तो सूट करता है.
हाँ.
So I tell them to listen, you know, it's not आपको सूट करता है ठीक है, maybe you're the rarest of rare people, right? But it is not the best facial oil. आप coconut oil बालों पे लगाओ, it's beautiful for the hair. But for the skin, there are other oils which are much better.
No, so when this is
Squalene.
skin, you're saying just the face or overall
No, see,
like.
coconut oil, I would never tell anybody to use for massages
Acha.
because it is very heavy. It's a
Alright.
very heavy oil.
Okay.
And it can, in a lot of cases, cause acne on your skin.
True,
And because it's heavy, it will not go inside the skin. And we
Okay.
want it to go inside the skin
Yeah.
because otherwise, how will it heal problems? It sits on the surface of the skin. It's very heavy.
Alright.
And the comedogenic index, which is something which, you know, एक rating होती है कि आपका कौन सा oil clog करता है आपके pores को.
Okay.
So coconut oil rates the highest
Really?
in terms of clogging your pores.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So that is quite a
I've done a reel on my page extensive.
Yeah.
I've told people, listen, please don't use it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's-
similarly, like how you've broken this myth, tell us something related to food items. You know, any fruit or any kind of food that is again a no-no, which has been going on since ages, but
Yeah.
people
so,
don't know. Any myths that you want to?
So, you know, I feel that one thing which ages you faster than anything else has to be, you know, with regards to food, has to be your sugar.
Of course.
White
Yeah,
sugar.
yeah.
It's very bad for the skin.
True,
Okay.
yeah.
So, white sugar, I feel, अब बिल्कुल भी मत लो, ठीक है? And if you want to replace it, maybe you can replace it with healthy alternatives like brown sugar, with jaggery, you know, things like that.
Okay.
But like, for example, I tell my students that आप avoid करो जितना कर सकते हो. Like if you're having chai, coffee,
हाँ.
so, you know, develop a habit of having chai without sugar.
Sugar.
So that is something. And obviously smoking wears off your collagen like anything. So smoking is bad. Drinking occasionally you can, but smoking and sugar has to be the worst things for your
Okay.
face.
Do you recommend oral collagen tablets?
Yeah, you can have oral collagen, but again, I would say that collagen when you have. Now, obviously, आप खा रहे हो ना, collagen will not know कि अच्छा उसने तो skin पे ही जाना है. Collagen तो कहीं भी जा सकता है. It can go to your legs, your joints,
Yeah.
you know, anywhere it can go, to your hair, anywhere.
Absolutely, yeah.
So, you know, if you are only thinking कि मुझे, you know, face का collagen better करना है, so it will take time. So give it like 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months. It takes time. But I would say collagen supplements without face yoga would not show great results. But if you're pairing it with face yoga, because face yoga works on muscles.
All right.
And सिर्फ collagen खाने से कुछ नहीं होएगा. So you have to, you know,
So
lift.
it's a mix of everything.
Yeah,
It has
the results
the
are much-
perfect blend of everything basically.
See, exercise I
Yeah.
feel is the best thing. Exercise करो, उसके साथ आप tools add कर दो, आप skin care add कर दो. You can add things. but जो main चीज़ है,
Yeah.
you know, for example, अब आप मुझे बताओ, हम जब खाना खाते हैं, ठीक है? So, you know, we don't always feel कि अच्छा दाल खा लेते हैं,
Yeah.
you know, we'll have vegetables, दही खा लेते हैं, खाना हो गया. No, रोटी खानी है ना, राइस खाने हैं ना, वो तो खाने ही खाने हैं. सो मेरा मतलब है द मेन कंपोनेंट इज एक्सरसाइज, जो लोग नहीं करते हैं. बाकी सब कुछ कर लेते हैं,
हाँ.
स्किन के भी लगा लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं, बट एक्सरसाइज इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
So a lot of times there are companies which sponsor their products, or you know they give you collaborations and all. So a lot of influencers start suggesting that particular cream or that particular ointment or you know those products. How do you know whether it's truly good for your skin, or is it just like a a collaboration?
So, you know, I'll tell you something. There have been a few brands, and, you know, so obviously they wanted to collaborate. And I told them that, listen, it works like this. आप मुझे products भेजो, I will try it, and then I will let you know whether I want to collaborate with you.
Okay.
Because the thing is that, you know, like for me, people trust me, you know, and whatever I say,
True.
you know, they feel that, अच्छा, ma'am ने बताया है, it has to be the correct thing. So, you know, for me, it's more like the trust is very important.
Absolutely,
Okay.
yeah.
Because they don't know anything. They are coming to me because, you know, I know something.
Yeah.
And if I don't guide them well, they वो trust नहीं रहेगा.
बिल्कुल,
So for me, it's very important that people trust me. So, you know, it's very funny. This brand came and, you know, they sent me so many products and everything. And, you know, I was like, आपने इतने क्यों भेज दिए? So, they were like, नहीं, you know, आप use करो ये वो. And trust me, उनके जो products थे, इतना परफ्यूम था उसमें,
Oh,
इतनी
okay.
फ्रेग्रेंस थी उसमें. And, you know, when I used it, मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि, you know, the perfume was all over. It was irritating me a lot. And my skin is very good. You know, so
I can see that.
everything like suits me very well. I
Yeah.
can use any oil, any cream, everything suits me. तो परफ्यूम बहुत ज़्यादा था उसमें.
Okay.
Second, you know, जब मैंने लगाया, the creams were not gliding well. They were not
Acha,
that great.
alright,
So there were a
okay.
lot of other things. And I told the brand that, you know, I'm not very happy. They said कि मैम अभी तो आया है, अभी use किया है, give it time. So मुझे पता था I'm not going to like it. And later they were so angry. They were like, you know, we've spent so much money. We've given you so many products. Please, can you give us money? I said, why should I give you
I
money?
know, yeah.
So I
That's
said,
asking for too much.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
you know, like they fought
You should have
also.
told them improve your products.
But they were like, our products are
Yeah.
very good. So I don't promote.
yeah, alright.
So try and use products without, you know, fragrances.
Alright.
And it's not good for the skin. It's not needed.
So Savitu, this you've been doing since the last almost say 5 years.
Yeah.
And before that, you were a jewelry designer.
Yeah.
So from jewelry designing to face yoga and not just practicing it, but actually, you know, investing in it and actually being a practitioner yourself. What brought about that change?
So, you know, it's a very interesting story. And I feel that I don't know how, you know, how I came into this. And, you know, somehow I feel that now I feel so passionate about it. And, you know, and let me tell you that, you know, maybe in India, abroad, everywhere, I think I'm the only face yoga teacher.
Okay.
And I'm saying the only teacher who is so passionate that, you know, I take live classes. My USP is
Okay.
that till now, I don't have a recorded program.
Yeah.
Because in the last
alright.
5 years, I want to make people, you know, feel like it's a gym for your face. You come to me and I, as a teacher, will help you with different workouts. And every workout is different. Every class is different. They will never feel that, oh, this class is same.
Okay.
Everything is different. You know, we keep adding stuff. We keep adding
there's
different
so much more
There's
to face
so
yoga.
much. There's so
Okay.
there are 30, 40 different type of massages.
Wow.
There are
Okay.
700 plus facial exercises.
Okay.
You can do reflexology for stress, anxiety, sleep, constipation. You know, I'm a certified jewelry designer, and we also have a family business of, you know, exporting jewelry.
Okay.
And so we export jewelry to H&M, Beeline, Primark, Accessorize, all of those brands.
Okay.
And because it's a family-run business, you know, my father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, husband, we all were involved.
All right.
And one day while designing jewelry, and I was very good, you know, I love wearing jewelry. See, I'm wearing one of, you know, our pieces only. This
Oh,
hoop.
lovely. Okay.
Yeah. So this is by the brand. Now we are retailing by Sukra. It's
Okay.
there on Amazon and
beautiful name.
Pernias. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we've diversified into retailing.
All right.
So yeah, so while designing, you know, suddenly I know one day I looked myself in the mirror and मैंने देखा that, you know, my forehead had lines.
Okay.
And, you know, I had crow's feet. And, you know, मैं सुबह तो proper makeup वगैरह करके गई थी. And, you know, by 3-4 o'clock, I just felt that I did not like the way I was looking. And I was like, what has happened? You know, मैं तो बहुत, I started aging. And I didn't like the way I was looking. I was not feeling confident. पता नहीं क्या हो गया. उस दिन I was very down and out.
And if you don't mind, what age are you?
I was 35 then. Now I'm 40.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, now I'm
Okay.
40.
Okay. You
So,
don't look. You don't look 40 at all. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
I have a daughter who's 12 years. The younger one is 9 years.
Oh my goodness,
And
okay.
I'm married for the last 15 years.
Wow. All right.
Yeah, so then I was like, oh, you know, what should I do? फिर मैं एक doctor के पास गई. And I
Okay.
told the dermat that please do something to my face.
All right.
And she said, अच्छा lines हैं. Okay, you know, we'll have to get Botox fillers. And okay, take these skincare products. And you know, she actually gave me skincare products worth 15,000 rupees.
Wow.
And I was like, it's a lot of money. And I told her कि lines चली जाएंगी. So she said कि देखो skincare से lines नहीं जाती हैं. But eventually you will have to come to me and we'll have to do Botox for you. And I was like, but
Okay,
I'm not,
then, yeah.
I'm not a celebrity. I'm not somebody. I don't want to spend lakhs of rupees. I want to look nice, but I don't want all this.
Yeah.
And especially injecting and all of that.
Absolutely, yeah.
I was not at all interested. So I got the products. I tried it and all. And मुझे ना इतना difference दिखा नहीं.
अच्छा.
And बार you know, I was remembering her words कि Botox fillers, lines नहीं जाएंगे. I was very like low on confidence. You know, I kept praying to God कि कुछ कर दो मेरा, you know, like that. I, you know, didn't go for parties, didn't want to go out, and you know, I was
It was that
very
bad.
in a very bad state, very low on confidence. मतलब मुझे ये लगता था कि कोई मेरा face मत देखे. My face is very bad, like you know that low phase, very low phase. And suddenly, I don't know, I think भगवान की देन थी that Insta पे I saw an ad of face yoga and it said face yoga to glowing skin. And I don't know, मुझे ऐसे लगा this is for me. And I went for the classes and I did face yoga.
Okay.
बस the rest is history. किसी और टीचर से मैंने सीखा and the changes that I saw. So you know, on my page there's a before after.
All right.
And my complexion changed, my features got defined, my lines and wrinkles went away. I was a totally different person. And I was like, wow, ये क्या होता है face yoga, you know? I told my friends, they were like, what is face yoga? I was like, you also didn't know, I also don't know. Now I'm going to get certified.
Yeah,
So imagine from a jewelry designer,
Yeah.
that's how, you know.
Wow.
I took it upon myself कि I will change people now. When they do face yoga, you know, in the classes, you know, like suppose, you know, we women are all over the place, you know, like बच्चे हैं, घर है, ये है. And a lot of women in my classes, they're working,
Yeah.
okay? So, you know, they're running and coming for the class. But when they sit for the class, you know, I tell them, they listen, now relax. We start with breathing. And during the class, something happens. They are so relaxed. They feel so good, you know. They feel they are in a spa. Because जब आप मसाज करते हो ना, आपको बहुत relaxation feel होता है. So it's not only कि मुझे सुंदर दिखना है. You are taking care of yourself. You know, you are giving yourself that time. And I feel that every person deserves that time.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let's come to what are the different tools that you use? Are there any tools that you use for face yoga?
Yes, absolutely. I've got a
Okay.
few tools here.
All right.
Feel, you know, hands are your best friend.
All right.
So अगर किसी के पास tool नहीं है and they still want to make changes, 100% you
All
can
right.
make changes.
Okay.
Okay.
It's equally effective.
It is effective, but if you add tools, the results will be better.
Definitely, of course. Yeah.
But ऐसा नहीं है, you can do with hand.
All right.
So you know, these are called facial cups.
All right.
Okay. And these are suction cups.
All right.
Okay. So I'm going to show it to you. So basically, ये जो cups हैं, they are non-invasive.
All
Okay.
right.
And ये बहुत you know 1,000-1,500 के आते हैं. And like this is very good for lifting of the face, for
Alright.
face lifting.
Okay.
But obviously, you know, this it's a manual tool.
Alright.
So आपको खुद से lift
हाँ,
करना है. You
हाँ,
know, so
sure.
थोड़ा सा, you know, women who are 55, 60, they might find it a little tough.
Okay.
So I would say अगर आप 30, 35, 40 के हो, अगर आपको लग रहा है face sag कर रहा है या lines हैं, you can use this and I'll tell you how to use it. But for this, you have to take the oil. So
Okay.
I'm going to take the oil.
Any particular
And
oil that you recommend?
so today I'm using this one by you know, this is by Ras, and otherwise you can use, if you have dry skin, you can use squalene oil, very good.
Alright.
If you have oily combination skin, you can go for jojoba oil because it balances your sebum production.
Okay.
And if you have sensitive skin, then go for something like sea buckthorn oil.
Alright.
All of this is available online.
Okay.
And if you have you know, acne prone skin or active acne, go for a tea tree oil or aloe vera. So like that, you choose the oil.
Okay.
So this, we will take a few drops of the oil, and I'm going to, you know, you always activate the oil. So I have activated the ingredients, and I'm going to put it on the face. Okay, on
So
my
you're
cheek.
just patting it on the face.
Yeah, patting it.
Okay.
That's the right word. You're not
Alright.
supposed to rub or
No
anything.
rubbing,
Just
okay.
apply it here like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take the cups, and when I take the cups, there's an angle to it.
Okay.
So कभी भी आप टूल यूज करो, ये मत सोचो कि बहुत इजी है, ऐसे यूज कर लो. The right technique is very important.
Alright.
Okay. So after putting the oil, you can also do it with the moisturizer. That's fine.
All right.
So you take the cups, you keep it here.
Okay.
Okay. Now when I keep the cups here, my angle. Now see my angle. Now I will press on it. Okay. My skin is inside the cup. Okay. So see,
Ah,
it's
all
inside.
right. Okay.
Now press, and I take it up.
Okay.
Okay. And I lift it up. Then I take it here at the corners of my mouth. Okay. And I take it up. This is below the cheek.
All right.
Then I take it here, I put it right on the cheek, and I lift it up.
Okay.
So, you know, when I'm doing it a lot of times, what I'm doing is I'm holding the skin and lifting it. So I'm doing a mini facelift.
Okay.
I'm
so you're
lifting
basically
everything
keeping
up.
it pressed while
Yes,
you
so I
push
press
up.
it,
Okay.
I take it up,
Uh-huh.
and I release.
All
so, you know,
right.
it also makes a sound. See, so
Yeah.
it makes a sound. And when you keep doing this, but you have to have the oil. So like that, you keep lifting your skin, okay, like that.
Can you
And
also do it
the
for the
forehead.
double chin or the neck?
Absolutely, double chin, everything. So you
Okay.
can take the cups like this, okay, keep it here,
Yeah.
and make sure that yes, they are sticking on,
All right.
and then just take it like this.
Okay.
Press and take it. Okay, and also you can take it down. So press, so you're holding the skin, and then you're tightening it. So you're holding it, and you are
Pull it down.
pull it down. Just pull it down. Just tighten it. So आप अपनी skin को ऐसे कर रहे हो. And
Can
if you
face yoga ever go wrong?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, absolutely. Face yoga can go wrong.
Okay.
Because I feel that so like today in the class, there was a student, and she was doing so there was a massage which was under the eye, and she was doing something like this. And so I told her that listen, you have to keep the elbows in the air, okay? Because जब हम फेस योगा करते हैं हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें लिफ्ट चाहिए ना. तो जब भी हम कर रहे हैं हमारे सारे मूव्स होने चाहिए with elbows in the air, okay?
Alright.
So whenever I'm doing the eye, I will not do this. It won't do anything. So you have to keep your hands like this,
Okay.
and then maybe massage like this, directly under the
I think
eye.
the pressure also changes.
Yeah, so the eye, under the
Okay.
eye, it's light pressure because
Alright.
it's very delicate skin. But imagine doing it like this, and imagine, lifting it up like this.
Yeah.
You are lifting it up.
Okay.
So that is, the technique is very important. And even when you do the cheek, so, when you're doing the jaw also, a lot of people do this. No, you lift it up also. You take your hands, keep it here, and you're going up. So see, my
Oh,
movement
alright.
is always
Okay.
up.
Yeah, towards.
Towards,
absolutely.
it's up.
Okay.
It'll always be, even
Interesting.
if I'm doing the hook, the cheek hook, which helps to sculpt the cheekbones.
Alright.
So I will keep it here, and I will not do like, in Insta pay, I saw this influencer, she was trying to teach face hook, and she was like, aise karo. And I felt the pressure was so light. You are trying to work on the muscle, and the pressure is so light.
Yeah.
So you have to work on the muscle which is below the skin.
Absolutely.
So your hand
absolutely,
has
yeah.
to reach the muscle.
Yeah.
It can't be that light.
True,
So
true.
you take a hook, you keep it here, and at the same time, you're lifting your skin.
Yeah.
See?
But is there any pressure that you like? How do you know if the pressure is right? You can't do too much also, and you can't do too less also.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I would say that if you have the oil, your hand glides really well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
एक glide
all
आएगा
right.
आपका, and plus, I tell people it should not be very light कि आपकी skin तक रहे, because we're not working on the skin, we
Yeah.
are working on the
It has to
muscle.
go inside,
Yeah.
yeah.
And should not be too hard कि यार दर्द हो रही है उसके बाद. Somewhere in the middle.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful.
But you see the rush of blood?
Yeah.
You see my face is getting red?
Absolutely.
Yeah, all that blood circulation is coming.
Okay. So, tell us more
Yeah.
about. Yeah.
So like, for example, you take the cups and you want to work on the 11s. Okay.
Alright.
So you take the cups here, keep it here, create a suction, and keep going up. Okay. Hold it, create a suction, and keep going up. Now again, when you see I'm lifting it up, okay, I'm taking it up. So keeping it here, lift, lift, lift. Even when you do the forehead, you're trying to work on the forehead. Now this can be on this side, okay, but again, I'm taking my skin, because I want to work on the lines and wrinkles, and then I'm pressing it and I'm going to take it out. So obviously you're smoothing your forehead,
I
by
can see
doing
that nice.
The-
The glow coming in.
yeah, so that happens with these. And the
Okay.
smaller ones are for your eyes, your
Alright.
under eyes, for lips and all of that.
Okay,
So
lovely.
there's a beautiful glow that comes to your skin. Yeah.
Okay. Acha, and so what is this gua sha?
Gua sha, yes. So, first of all, I would tell people to use a metal gua sha, because a lot of times, we people are clumsy and, gir jata hai. And if it's a stone, like a jade or a rose quartz or whatever, तो वो फिर obviously टूट जाएगा. You know, so I tell people that, listen, it's okay, just take a metal gua sha, it's better. I know there's a metal called the Kansa metal, which is very good for the skin. So if you can get hold on a Kansa gua sha,
All right.
it's much better.
Okay.
And otherwise, if you're not clumsy and you're very careful, like, I've had a gua sha, I haven't got that, and that's been with me since 5 years.
Wow.
So
Okay.
I make it a point, use kiya, box mein rakha, like that. So otherwise you can take that as well.
Okay.
So this is the gua sha. This is very good as a lymphatic drainage tool.
All right.
So if you have water retention, puffiness, if you want your face to be clear, this will release all the stagnation, all the blocked toxins on your face and release that.
All right.
So this is very, very good as a lymphatic drainage tool.
Okay.
Second, I feel that if you want sculpting, like nose ki sculpting, like I'll show you. For example, again the angle is very important.
Okay.
So when I do the gua sha, I always make sure that I support. So I'm going to support here. Okay.
all
Keep
right.
my hand here. Okay. And then, for example, I'm going to focus on the high cheekbone area.
right.
So I'm going to little bit, pout.
Okay. Okay. So it's more effective and it's more, okay. It's more prominent now.
It's much easier. You can see that.
True.
So again, you're lifting it up.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Like that. And when you lift it up, you are, enhancing your cheekbones. So very good for toning, tightening, contouring, like that.
All right.
Even when you do the jawline, for example, you keep it here and you can,
All right.
contour your jawline.
How is this different from the face cupping?
This is very different because, see, both of them, that is very good for collagen production. It's very
right.
good for, plumpening, anything which is lost, like sagging and lifting, I would say.
right. Okay.
This is very good as a, like I said, lymphatic drainage, puffiness, and very good for, contouring.
Okay.
Chiseling.
All
If
right.
somebody feels कि मेरे features इतने sharp नहीं हैं, like if you see my before after, my nose was okay, like I was not very happy with my nose, but now it's much sharper with the gua sha because you take it here like this, and when you go up, you just stop here and then go up like that. So you contour the nose as well.
Okay.
So for that, it's very good. It's very good for, I would say, anybody who has acne, don't use this.
Don't use it.
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not on active acne.
All right.
Not if you have, acne scars आप कर सकते हो. But active acne है, कोई inflammation है, कोई sensitivity है, redness है, then please don't use this. This is not the tool for you.
All right.
Because when you do it, then because ये बहुत deep जाता है. Gua sha is one tool which doesn't work on your skin.
Okay.
This works on the muscles. And it works on the, आपकी जो cellular, the cells.
Yeah.
It's working to
So it'll go
repair.
deep tissue and
very
everything.
deep,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
All right. Okay.
So it's not
All
a
right.
skin tool.
Oh, so
Yeah.
this is not for everybody. You have to be
No,
very
I would say,
particular.
so in fact, the funny thing is that somebody comes to my class and they say that, okay, ma'am, we want to use one tool. Please tell us that one tool. Then
Yeah.
I say, this is that one tool. Go for this. But agar acne hai, then I would say go for the ice roller.
Okay.
पहले आपके acne heal करेंगे.
But if you have like a sensitive skin or something, this is still okay?
If you have a sensitive skin, I would say go for red light therapy.
What is
go,
that now?
go for the blue light in that.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
for
okay.
sensitive skin.
All right.
So red light therapy is basically that I don't have the tool right now.
Okay.
But red light therapy में क्या होता है that you have lights of different wavelengths. Okay. They penetrate the skin.
All right.
Okay. Now different lights like yellow light, blue light, green light, red light are meant for different purposes.
All right.
And ये lights अलग-अलग wavelength की होती हैं.
All right.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
और ये आपकी करती हैं penetrate skin में. Like a lot of people feel कि ma'am, do they? Yes, they do. They are effective. And for example, like in my classes, mostly people use red light.
Okay.
So they have one, handheld device, which is a LED device,
All right.
and उसमें red light है.
Okay.
Because red light, like if somebody tells me, I want to make it easy. Because, for my classes, I want things to be easy.
Absolutely,
Super
yeah.
easy, not complicated. So red light is very good for anti-aging and glow.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So if somebody
I need to
feel-
get a hold of that.
Yeah, red light is extremely good. But if you want to
Okay.
go for something which has all the lights, that's also fine.
Okay.
So green light is very good for pigmentation,
All right.
calming the skin. I was talking about the blue light for acne. Blue light is very good for acne. Yellow is
Okay.
very good for sensitive skin.
Okay.
So like that, you have different lights.
All right. All right.
So red light therapy is excellent for the hair as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about these rollers? You have the jade roller, the collagen roller,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
derma
yeah,
roller,
yeah.
and the latest fashion, the in thing is the 24 karat face massager.
my God,
And
yes.
I've also heard of this micro current pro tool. I don't know if I missed.
There are a lot of tools.
Yeah.
But trust me, I feel that start with basic.
All right.
Start with gua sha for everyone.
Okay.
But if you have acne, active acne, go for the ice roller.
All right.
Okay. But again, ice roller would heal and take care of inflammation. It will not do anything for lifting and all of that. But आपका acne पहले ठीक करना ज़्यादा important है
true.
because we don't want to
Yeah.
create more flare-ups and all of that. Okay.
All right.
Then I would say, if you're okay, the skin is fine, कोई acne नहीं है, go for facial cupping, face
Alright.
cups, they work very well.
Okay.
बाकी जो आपने रोलर्स बताए जितने रोलर्स बताए आई फील कि जो जेड रोलर है दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर यंग पीपल
Okay.
So, if there's somebody, who's 20, 22, 18, 25.
That young.
That
Okay.
young, they can use the roller. It'll work well. But हमारी age में rollers नहीं काम करते. Because we want something stronger.
Yeah,
Rollers
true.
will not. For हमारी age में collagen roller.
Alright.
Something like, it's a roller like this.
Okay.
But it doesn't have needles.
Alright.
So you can go very close to the eye area and you can roll it.
Okay.
And even if you do the cheeks, now you see my cheeks, they will start getting red.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you. So I take the roller and
Yeah,
कुछ
we
भी
can
नहीं
see the
करना, बस
difference,
मैंने
हाँ.
ऐसे करके उसको move करना है and I'm going to focus on one area for
I
some
can see
time.
the redness increasing.
Yeah, and it helps to build collagen. This is the collagen roller.
But this is not harming the skin.
No, see my skin, see my cheeks.
It's so...
Yeah, so it's getting fresh blood there. And so this is very safe for the house.
Alright.
So if you have lines, wrinkles, you want to build collagen, but again, exercise बहुत important है.
course,
So
yeah.
this is just a add-on tool. Derma roller, I would never suggest do it in the house. Never.
Acha.
Derma roller,
Alright.
never.
Okay.
Because I've had clients जिन्होंने sterilize नहीं किया, तो
Oh,
it
okay.
created a lot of problems. And
What about this latest
Micro-
fad? Yeah.
Micro-
No, the 24 carat.
24 carat.
Yeah, Alia Bhatt is promoting it, so...
This is a good tool.
Okay.
This is a good tool, I would say. But, अब क्या है कि the LED tool has come. Now, LED tool has lights.
Okay.
Okay. And LED tool has the electric vibrations. So
Do you have an electric...
I don't have the LED
okay,
tool right
alright.
now. So I would say if somebody wants one tool, invest in a LED tool.
Okay.
Because उसमें इसकी तरह electric vibrations हैं और light भी है. इसमें light
Okay,
नहीं है.
okay, got it,
So
got
that
it.
is a 2-in-1 tool.
got it,
Yeah.
okay.
But otherwise, again, you switch it on and you can again do the lifting. Lifting, very important how you do it. So make sure that you are holding your skin. And if you're doing the lifting of the cheek, you are lifting, holding your cheek for some time, creating that muscle memory because your muscles have to remember and you're taking it up. Okay? Or if you're doing something like a lift, make sure it's going up. So it'll go something like this. See, it's going like it's going up. You're lifting it up.
True.
Okay, like that. And other thing is that if you want to work on the lines, so you can also use the tip, and do some acupressure presses like that. So this the third eye point is very good for insomnia. If you have headaches, so just take the tool and keep rolling it here on the third eye.
Okay.
Very relaxing, very very relaxing. So you can do acupressure with it. So multiple
Lovely.
uses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Tools which are meant to relax you. You've had sometimes I'm running, the whole day and I'm so tired and everything. And, I want to just relax. Maybe I would want to sit at my dressing table, have some nice soft music, dim the lights, maybe have a nice candle and create that atmosphere and just relax.
So, age-old remedy, I would say, as per my knowledge, my limited knowledge, face yoga, as per the age-old remedy, would be बर्फ का पानी लो और अपना मुंह से dip करो.
And I hate that. I hate that. I'm going to tell everybody this. I hate dunking my face in water, in ice water. I'll tell you why. Because मुझे ना suffocation होती है.
Okay.
And when I wasn't doing face yoga and I used to see all of this, so I used to force myself कि नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये करना ही है. But then I realized you don't have to put yourself through it.
True.
You can take an ice roller. You
Yeah.
can करना क्या ice ही करना ना face.
exactly.
आप roller के
Yeah.
साथ ice कर लो. और the best thing is आप ice लो, उसको hanky में डालो and then use it for the face. ठीक है? Or even better, my students, what they do 100, 200, 300,
Splashes
400
of
water
water.
splashes.
Oh, okay,
It
alright.
just brightens up the skin. And do
Okay.
it before makeup. It
Oh,
helps to
lovely.
close your pores.
Okay.
So the makeup is flawless.
Oh,
Yeah,
wonderful.
it's flawless.
All right, lovely.
So I would tell everybody कि don't follow trends blindly. मेरे भी I used to do this mistake. देखा, save किया, follow किया. But if something is not working for you, question it. And try and do something different which works for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've discussed the different tools that we use for
Yeah.
face yoga. If you're not using any tools, so what exactly do you do in face yoga?
Okay. So if you're not using any tools, you just need a moisturizer. You need a
Alright.
facial oil.
Okay.
Come, get the oil. Okay. Then we will do massages and exercises. Okay. Now, for example, if you have pigmentation on the cheeks, okay, there's an exercise where you increase a lot of blood flow in the cheeks.
Alright.
Okay. So you fill your mouth with air.
Okay.
like this, and try and massage. So it's something like,
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay.
okay, like that, you're massaging your cheeks. So that is something I would tell everybody. अगर आपकी pigmentation है, get the oil, start doing these massages. 6 times here, 8 times here, 10 times here, on the other side. Repeat it. Do it every day. Do it in the morning, do it at night. ऐसे होगा ही नहीं कि आपकी pigmentation fade नहीं होएगी. You will start seeing the fading happening.
All right.
Yeah, so that's a good starting point. And the other thing is that क्योंकि oil है face पे, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Maybe, you know, I want to work on my 11s. So I'll just make a hook. I'll keep it here on my 11 lines. And I'm going to go up like this. Okay, just because what happens is यहाँ पे ना हम बहुत stress hold करते हैं. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. A lot of people will do like this. You know, they'll make all kind of expressions. So you need to relax the forehead muscle. And cheek muscle you need to lift. So you will keep it here.
Okay.
And you will, and breathe. It's very important to breathe while relaxing this area. The results are better. So just relax the
I'm
forehead.
getting so relaxed just looking at you. You know,
It's
so
very
nice.
relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, I really want you to come for the classes once.
Absolutely.
And
I'm
you
on.
will love it.
So tell me, how long does face yoga take to
Show
show the
results.
effects? Yeah.
I think after maybe a session, maybe in like 2 or 3 days, maybe a week.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely. So, you know, आपका face इतना छोटा है, आपके hardly कितने muscles हैं.
हाँ.
There are only 60 plus muscles. You don't have to do a lot.
Yeah.
But what is important, I'll tell this to everyone. What is important is, जब आप face yoga कर रहे हो, use the right oil. Because otherwise you will say face yoga से acne हो गया. Face yoga से नहीं हुआ, आपने oil गलत use किया है.
Product use was.
Yes, so get the right oil is extremely important. Once you know what is the right oil, you can do any face yoga move. But the second thing, again, the right technique.
Okay.
Right technique, मतलब आपको आनी चाहिए. You know, if you're not doing it from me, do it from any face yoga teacher. But learn the correct techniques. Don't blindly follow, you know, like that. आप class join करो, learn करो, you know, and do the right technique. उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
Okay.
Because you have to open your lymph nodes first, do neck stretches, you know, and then do face yoga. ये नहीं कि बैठ गए, अच्छा double chin safe किया, double chin कर लो. It doesn't work like that.
True.
So, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Savitu, tell me, what are the common mistakes a beginner who's practicing face yoga makes?
Common mistakes, I would say, yes, first, not getting the right oil.
All right.
Okay. Second, I would say that doing it just thinking कि double chin की exercise double chin कर लो. You know,
Focusing
forehead
on
की
one
है.
point.
Yeah, because you
Okay.
know, when you are doing face yoga, you have to activate all the muscles for good result. You can't just, you know, do spot treatment. That doesn't work.
Okay.
Third thing is that whenever you're doing techniques, face yoga, like I said, is all about lifting and toning.
True.
Keep your posture correct. Okay.
Alright.
Like, you know, when you're sitting, sit and, you know, imagine there's a thread
Alright.
and which is pulling you up. So the
Okay.
thread, imagine the thread is in the middle and it is pulling you up.
Okay.
So sit straight. The posture should be straight. You should not be sitting like this, or, you
Yeah.
know, things like this. Or a lot of times, you know, like people are looking down at the phone. So just the posture has to be correct.
Okay.
Second is try and involve breath work with face
Okay.
yoga.
All right.
Because we are trying to reduce the cortisol level. And so whenever you're doing massages, especially massages, not exercises, and you massage is basically something कि आप लगा के अपने face को massage कर रहे हो. Like, you know, parlor वाले.
How are your exercises different from the massages?
Yes, that's very different. Very, very different.
Okay.
So basically क्या होता है जब massage होता है,
हाँ.
it's something that's supposed to relax you. ठीक है, जैसे
Alright.
आप पार्लर में जाते हो, वो
ठीक है.
मसाज करती है पार्लर वाली,
Okay.
तो आपकी मसाज करेगी, आपको लिफ्ट करेगी, you know, ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको मसाज करेगी.
Yeah.
Now massage is good for blood flow and
Alright.
you know, lymph circulation, all of that, but massage doesn't go very deep.
All right.
Now if you want to work on the muscles, you have to exercise the face.
Okay.
That is something different. Like for example, exercising is that, you know, I'll give you a face yoga pose. So you know, you take your hand, keep it on the forehead like this, and you open your eyes wide. Okay?
Okay.
And you curl the upper and lower lip. Okay?
Curl the upper and lower lip.
Yes,
All right.
you have to curl it.
Okay.
The upper and lower. So it's
All
something
right.
like. So this is the face yoga exercise because here
Okay.
you're relaxing the forehead, you're working out your eyes. When
Okay.
you're doing this, you're lifting the droopy corners
Yeah.
and you're lifting the cheek. So you're doing a full facelift. This is the exercise.
Got it.
For example, an exercise would be something like you keep your hands here. You look up at the ceiling.
All right.
Okay. When you look up, then you do an exercise. Maybe you do something like, you take your tongue and you take your tongue from left and then right
Okay.
and left, something
All
like
right.
this. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay.
So जितना आप tongue को higher रखोगे, so
हाँ,
exercise is you are working out your muscles to make them stronger.
Okay.
So this is exercise. So there's a lot of difference. अगर आप सिर्फ मसाज करोगे रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. So मसाज करना है because relax करना है. Face yoga exercises to strengthen your muscles.
All right.
Yeah.
Interesting. I also feel that, when you say Om, that is one powerful word which I think it also kind of, lifts your face.
Right,
When you say
yes.
Om, it's like, yeah.
Yeah. So it's relaxing. Yeah.
Okay. Lovely. What about diet? How important is the diet?
Very
when you-
important.
Yeah.
Diet is very important with face yoga. We also I tell all my students to be very careful of what they eat because दिन में हम बहुत कुछ खाते हैं, and if we eat right, we can make a lot of difference to our skin.
Absolutely.
First of all, non-negotiable, have lots and lots of water. And whenever I go anywhere, I always have my water bottle.
All right.
And I always carry water. Okay. So अगर आपको पानी अच्छा नहीं लगता, you can maybe flavor it with आप नींबू डाल दो उसमें, आप cucumber डाल दो, you can put apples, anar, anything, flavor it.
Okay.
Because some people don't like the taste of water.
True.
So if you see celebrities and all, like Kiara Advani and all of them have a water
Yeah.
bottle with them.
Yeah.
So that is important for diet. Okay.
All right.
Second thing is that I love to have chia seeds in my diet,
All right.
and I also love to put it on the face.
Okay.
So what you can do is you can if somebody wants to make a chia seed pack, they can just buy the chia seed, okay, and they can powder it.
All right.
ठीक है, powder करके आप डब्बे में रख दो, and उसके अंदर then you just mix some honey,
All right.
and you mix some milk in it.
Okay.
And just make a pack and apply it on your skin. It's a
All
very
right.
good, beautiful anti-aging pack. And it's
Okay.
very simple to make. डब्बे में रखा होता है, use हो जाता है. Now, how to have chia seeds for the diet? So what I like to do is that I love yogurt.
All right.
I love it. So I can have it anytime during the day.
Okay.
So what I do is that in the evening, usually everybody is hungry in the evening. So at about 5:30, so I take a big bowl of dahi. And then so basically पहले मैं chia seeds को soak करती हूँ water में.
Okay.
ठीक है, and ताकि वो थोड़े फूल जाएं. And उसके
how long?
So I soak it for about 45 minutes, and then the water I have it separate,
अच्छा.
and I strain the chia seeds.
Okay.
और वो swollen chia seeds I put it in my yogurt.
Okay.
And then I mix it up and I have it like this big bowl, and it's yummy. It tastes so good,
Okay.
and it's beautiful. And then you're having chia
And it's
seeds
of course good for the
it's
skin,
good in
so
omega-3
yeah.
fatty
Yeah.
acids and everything. So that
Alright.
is something you can do.
Okay.
Also, have a lot of almonds. So almonds, walnut, this weather you can have anjeer,
Yeah.
and have munakka, because again all of this is very good for your iron levels, your vitamins, your minerals. ये बहुत rich होते हैं चीज़ों में. So have that. Also keep a box of mixed seeds. Like
Yeah.
in my room there's always a box mixed seeds. उसमें sunflower है, pumpkin
Yeah.
है. जब भूख लगे वो खा लिया एक चम्मच, like that. So you can do things like that.
Okay.
And the important thing is that आपका जो protein intake है, that should be there at every meal. So if anybody comes to me with sagging or lines, I tell them आपका protein कितना है, कितना खा रहे हो. So protein आपका जैसे breakfast पे, for example, you can have बेसन का चीला,
Yeah.
you can have eggs. Lunch पे, have dal, sabji, like that,
Yeah.
and chicken. So try and have some protein sources, and maybe you can also squeeze in some lemon,
Yeah.
on your sabji or whatever. So protein बहुत important है.
Okay.
And collagen supplement आप ले सकते हो if you want. And that is something that I would say that अगर sachet है, like I have the sachet.
Okay.
So मैं उसको cut करके I put in my green tea,
Alright.
and then I have it. It's got no flavor. I would say vitamin C fruits are excellent for the skin. Vitamin C helps in collagen production. So have kiwi, have strawberry, have mosambi and oranges and all of that. So but otherwise avocado is a superfood. It's
Yeah.
very good for the skin.
Right. Okay, so you've also conducted beauty sessions for Greh Lakshmi,
Yes.
Mrs. India
Yeah.
contestants. You've also done a Gosha masterclass with influencers, and you've also done sessions with the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports
Yes.
For India. So tell us a bit about that, your experience, and how was it?
So when I got a call, I was very happy and I was like, wow, I've got to do this. And they were all people, from the government of India, the employees and people working for the organization. And it was a proud moment.
Absolutely.
And I felt good. And, when I reached there, I knew that, these people, they don't have time, working hours, all of that. But because of, I think, Narendra Modi now, काफ़ी कुछ better हो गया है, in terms of the work hours and all. So they did tell me they do a lot of stress reduction, and we have pigmentation, we have dark circle and all of that. So whatever problems they had, I asked them and I curated the routine for them.
But it's amazing to talk about the Ministry of Sports to be so aware
Yes.
that they are approaching
Because
a face
actually,
yoga
why they
expert.
approached me, because it was International Women's Day.
Ah,
And they were like, and there were some men also there, and they wanted women
Yeah.
to take care of themselves. And obviously, those women are not the kinds that they will go for treatments and all, because they are simple people.
Absolutely.
They're there to do their work.
Yeah, they're very grounded,
Yeah,
very,
grounded, and they
simple,
still want to
true.
look nice and
Yeah.
all of that. So the brief was that give them something they can do every day.
Yeah.
They can do it themselves. They want to learn. They want to have those skills. You are the right mentor. Teach them, guide them.
True.
What to go, how to go about it. So it was all about everyday routines.
Okay. And what about the others?
The others for Grey Lakshmi and for Mrs. India 1 in a Million. So these contestants, there were these beautiful 60 contestants, and I got again through my Insta DM. And so they said that, you have to come and you have to do a grooming session for them.
Okay.
And the brief was all about because they're in the beauty industry. So you have to give us tips on sculpting,
All right.
toning. They also carry a lot of morning puffiness, how to help with that. So, whenever I go for any session, it's very important for me to, know what they want out of
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Because then it's very easy to give them that. Because if I'm just going, I have something in my mind, कि अच्छा मैं ये करती हूँ. But if it's not helping them, then
Yeah.
so like that. So it was all about, and obviously we did a lot of acupressure for them.
All right.
Because, they
The stress levels are
very high. And they have a lot of
rocket high, I think.
classes. कोई teeth की class हो रही है, कोई grooming हो रही है, कोई walking की class. So
Yeah.
they were doing a lot. And, it was time to make them like...
How much stress did you go through while doing these sessions?
So, I'll tell you something. Mera up stress level, like even for this podcast. So I have no stress now.
Okay.
When I go for something like this, whatever it is, whether it's for Government of India, I tell myself that I am doing my work.
Yeah.
Now, even if it's for Alia Bhatt or, even it's for Narendra Modi, anybody. Okay, I wish I can do it for them. I wish so.
No,
But
absolutely.
I just go
Very
there
soon.
with a bent of mind that I have to do my work and I have to give my best work because I don't know, if they'll meet me again.
true.
I want to help as many people as possible and I just focus on my work.
Absolutely. And
no
that's the way it
stress.
should be. But hats off to you for achieving so much at such a young age, which is amazing. Yeah. So that's
Thank you so
absolutely
much.
wonderful. Okay, tell me, what is the one myth that people have forgotten about our own face?
I think people are too, first of all, I feel Instagram is it's very photoshopped and it's become very unreal.
True.
So I would tell people कि अगर आप किसी actress को देख रहे हो, किसी model को देख रहे हो, don't take them at face value.
True.
There are a lot of आप picture को भी photoshop करते हो, वो इतनी treatments कराते हैं अपने face पे, so that is not the ideal, you should be looking at. I would just say that every single person, ठीक है, कोई भी हो, you have to work on yourself to make yourself a better version.
True.
So yesterday I went for a party and I met these girls and they were like, oh, does face yoga work? And, we've been following you tell us, should we join your classes? And, I just told them, I said, listen. So I said that, हाँ, ये सब changes होते हैं. So but they were laughing कि ये हमारी friend तो already इतनी pretty है. तो मैंने कहा, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to better themselves and you feel she's pretty but maybe she has much more potential.
Absolutely,
Maybe there's still 50% left that she hasn't explored. But I would say आपकी जो uniqueness है, that is you, naturally you're gifted with something. Don't change that. Don't go for high cheekbones, sharper jawlines. No, just be yourself and work on yourself to be your best version.
Absolutely. And I think be confident of yourself. The radiance shows
Yeah,
automatically.
confidence is a superpower.
True.
Yeah.
True. Right. So Savita, what's brewing in your cup right now?
Oh my God.
Future plans and present plans
Yes.
that are
So-
still not out.
So I'll tell you something. मुझे बहुत लगता है कि I have this feeling मुझे नज़र बहुत जल्दी लगती है.
Okay.
So I'm also wearing these crystals and given to me by my astrologer and so मुझे लगती है नज़र and नज़र ऐसे लगती है that I fall sick. There are all kinds of people seeing you and even I feel your closest friends, because it's a journey and like I have really worked hard for it. I can tell you I've really, really worked hard for it. So when people see you, sometimes they feel that, like she was like us
How
and
did she-
now she's
yeah,
getting so
yeah,
much.
true.
They don't realize the amount of hard work I've put in. Like literally, my husband used to tell me that I remember there was a time I used to be watching Netflix and मैं देख रही हूँ TV and and suddenly I go towards my phone and I'm seeing something, some exercise or I'm brushing and he's telling me, come on, stop it, stop working.
Yeah.
Like I had become a workaholic, every time only face yoga. So I've been like that.
Okay.
So actually I'm organizing a wellness retreat.
All right.
And that is something which my students have been after me.
Okay.
And it's a retreat which is happening at a Fort Barli in Rajasthan.
Lovely.
And it's a beautiful fort. It's where the royal family still lives. We are going to do a meet and greet with the prince and his family.
Okay.
So, I wanted to be, want to give whoever's coming to give a very royal experience. So I have planned beautiful, a face yoga workshop, a reflexology session, a mindful session, a chit chat with people, a little bit of counseling. And we also have other activities like folk performances and, also, when people do face yoga, how to make the ghee cream. So we are going to use their kitchens and I'm going to show them, how I make the ghee cream.
All right.
And so lot of exciting stuff at the retreat. So, whoever is seeing this and you want to be part of the retreat, it's happening from 27th Feb to 1st March. And I'm going to put my heart and soul into it and you're going to love the experience. So, yeah.
Wishing you all the very best.
Thank you
And
so
let's see if I
much.
can squeeze that time out.
Yes,
I'll be
of
there for
course,
sure.
of course. I would love for you to be there and you haven't done face yoga.
No,
so
I
for you,
haven't.
everything is going to be new.
Absolutely.
So,
I'm so looking forward to that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Savitu. Thank you so much for reminding us that self-care doesn't have to be complicated. It has to be purposeful.
Yes.
Yeah. And, you've brought like a calm, refreshing feel to this whole podcast. Thank you so much for being here, for sharing the tips, your thoughts, so much. And, we wish you all the very best for
Thank you
all
so
your
much.
future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And trust me, this has been the best time. I just felt I'm sitting with a friend. So thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
this.
You are sitting with a friend. Absolutely.
Yes.
And there's a small memento that I'd like to present to you.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
sweet. Thank you
Thanks.
so much.
Okay, so Savitu, this is a photo that I've clicked myself. I'm also a wildlife photographer.
Okay.
So I thought for face yoga.
Oh my god. So this is beautiful. Wow.
So this is like a leopard yawning.
This is clicked by you?
Yes, it's
Oh
been
my
clicked by me.
god, it's so beautiful.
So he's exercising.
Gorgeous.
He's also exercising doing face yoga.
Yeah, he's doing the bow exercise. It's beautiful. Wow. I'm so
I hope you like it.
happy.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
so blessed and grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank
This is
you.
beautiful.
Thanks. Come.
Hitsa.